Don't mind me, I'm just walking by. Don't even notice, I'm just walking by.
There, you should have worn this.
I know, he touches up the camera.
No, I just walking by.
Did you Photoshop all that?
Oh yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just walking by. Just walking by.
You can't see me! You can't see. Oh, wait, you can see me.
Yeah, I can see you. That's it. They did an update on the software. I guess I'll see what it did.
Have you looked in the room again?
No, does it look nice?
Making changes.
Let's go take a look.
I'm also trying to upload stuff, but our internet is really slow.
Oh, Tuesday they're gonna speed it up. Did they tell you that?
I texted right now about it.
Yeah. They have a person coming in. We have oh, that's true. Just wanted to make sure everything was connected, and then once everything's connected,
it's still in progress, but I moved it up.
I think
so
that's,
we can do that.
oh yeah, that's better, and coming around like this, and then all the way, we can pull
That's
this
gonna
back
go to
and
the floor.
go on the floor. Yeah, that'll
I'm
be
actually
good.
thinking about going straight into the corners, so it's completely flat on both sides. There's advantages to having it scrimmed like that, and there's advantages to having it in the corner, so I'm just going to play around with it and see what happens.
I like it.
I'm going to freak people out just a little bit.
He does that anyway. Okay, carry on.